Hey, one of the things we were talking about that we do on vacation, and we know that you do on vacation as well, we all take photos. Some of us have big cameras, some of us just have our phones. Well, what we thought we would do is, because we've been learning a lot about how to take good pictures in the light at sunset or down on the beach, or some of the sea glass that we collect, we want to take some close-ups. We thought we would share some of the things that we've learned and share them with you so you can take those great photos and you can take them back home and share them with your family and your friends. So why don't you join us, and we'll give you some tips as we move around this wonderful resort. Here at Carlsbad, there are some beautiful ocean views, but one of the things we got to remember is lighting is your primary consideration. Some of the common mistakes we all make is sometimes we get so excited we shoot into the sun and we just don't capture that great photo. So let me just remind you that taking ocean view shots early in the morning or at sunset will get your best results. If you are shooting in the middle of the day, make sure your subject is facing the sun. But let me tell you this, be careful not to get your own shadow in that great photo. To enhance the photos you take on vacation, try the rule of thirds. Imagine your screen being divided into 3 equal parts, each line representing a third. Place your subject on one of those lines rather than in the center of your screen. To help you with this, you can locate your grid tool in your phone's camera settings. Well, of course you're going to take selfies on vacation. 2 tips I want to give you. Shoot it at a high angle, because you certainly don't want those double chins showing. And the second tip is front-facing camera needs to be on. Who doesn't love a great sunset? Let me give you one final tip for great sunset photos. Tap the brightest part of your screen, and everything else, color included, will all fall right into place.
Come on, Jim, let's take another selfie.